after. Jesse Lingard, in terms of his talent, contribution, actual performance, so far the duty as a forward, in terms of goal involvement, chance creation, any build up. As ever as Tankoli Mobeka or top pressure, I started hyper about Jesse Lingard, can went me live up to that particular expectation. Because also Kevin De Bruyne and put last season prior now. Can assist that De Bruyne in 17 games, and then Lingard in close to 30 games here. And we overhead this season. So also Kevin De Bruyne can wire 5 assists in the English Premier League plus 1 goal in 4 games. You see Lingard 0 goals, 0 assists. It is a hype again. 1 cent me live up to that particular expectation. Leroy Sané the engineer said this season we're proud. But last season also Leroy Sané or say 10 goals or 10 assists. That is, he was involved in 20 Premier League goals for Manchester City. You see Lingard the 5 because or 2 assists and or say 3 goals. And again, I think that once again, hype or more person of them for yes, 2 international games where team say 2 goals. But can open one of the best coaches or in talent development. I didn't say Pep Guardiola. And to our pressure no matter to walk out to the man very young stage you calling into the three lions. Emma pressure ban someone say instantly near to the pay mu. Now the lifestyle assassin. After na you share be as a youngster. You share as a mature player king. And you players can craving as a when 18, when 19, when 20. Now starting say game in game out on the teams in a better so much me. So I think that once again Michael Owen some worker. I say almost Sunday Sardian or more tired with the English players. And can English players are floppy be break because we can say David Bendy almost as only the next Beckham. And I'm not sure you're talking about football could be bonity. Phil Foden is a very young, a very good player. But I think that he will need that gradual process. Because David Silva they are to just next season on Manchester City game. And to Guardiola, a coach, and some man that freedom. Okay. Not gradually. More the boy into the Manchester City team. No matter that main foot maestro no open. But can almost starting no more calling names. Almost starting no more top pressure. Eddie my coach now. Both one man playing time. But consistency, maturity in his game. And very soon, both were failure. Show this as Scott Sinclair. Jack Woodward. But these were players are almost springing up, no? Almost hype. Almost even Andy Carroll. Shakespeare. Liverpool the cotton. It was all based on hyper England press at the moment, but they were not matured enough for that particular price tag, and even to meet that particular hype. If you fall in there, can a moment for Sawa Munyamano and San Cabo and so Guardiola will have time to develop him, and so Munya try. He can be a good star, but only sound necessary pressure and the corner so I can. Answer bet says young dear 10 years later, you better net on Ben Messi and Ronaldo baby. 2 years later, Lingard the best now boy De Bruyne and Leroy Sané bono United for Nanka Senyana on be pianist in Chenken.
Yeah, Ken. My main wish Anastasia Sewajima or Stadium. Special happy birthday. May she grow to be 98.0 with favor and blessings. And Mr. Abepobi so den crab. I'll say it in the last born. And so then any birthday. And say Julia Baba Pobi. I'll say on any year in normal wish and I wish a special happy birthday. Ken, it's got to do with La Liga. Not all car about the broadcast rights ever United Kingdom and Ireland. Over years, no one said La Liga is the direct rival of the Premier League because Omumi and Nuna are fighting for supremacy. And in recent times, it's been very clear. Say La Liga to me at top the Premier League. But over the year under review, just the past season now, with the success of the Premier League now, Chalky winning the Europa League, winning the Champions League, again winning the Super Cup, and even the number of teams who are more pushy to the final third of the competition, okay. Clearly, Ama the Premiership, a bit edge over La Liga within this year, but early days here because just a year, all the year statistics and said at least I say a little bit consistent. Now who said this is exactly the level, but Amakwa a well orchestrated and planned agenda in the Premiership and that is idea they buy. Can so be sharp. one area in football is very, very, very critical and important is coaching. But in Africa, the entire game ye call from they say ye coaching ni edi agro kakra. Obia ni the team the man. Now ye the man as a king of Castle nipa with them yes or nay ya obi ba attack because ebia nipa no say Ghana the obia did obi boto. Ebia sebio or be fro na ebia coach 100 way. No mo no so bebre because o mo nya de enti what they do ni say oba ya no afre guys we bi o mo no den no assault you out. It's bia onya de kra no more fire at the man, and that is one reason I say again. Take clearly say black coaches are not firing all over the world because the likes of Seed of Money and they are here some to me abano. Ken it's been a disaster for them clearly. It's say what the problem really is. But Premier League who said no. La Liga na echo until then there's some way. Ken almost said that assemble the best brains in terms of coaching no. By England one after the other, and it's working. Omokofa Jurgen Klopp from Germany. No Omokofa your friend is a Pep Guardiola from Spain. By Claudio Ranieri Italy by, and a host of other coaches. This is our Premier League. They move for Portugal. It move for Hanaba. The idea is be tape more experience, expertise. No. Now tape no. It will even help the English national team to also grow. Because King, so Guardiola boss Spain gamer. Ebia no Espirito Santo so also no kobo ebia Portuguese game. Now we bought Italian one and away so bought the German one. It's more incorporating in out together. They will learn from all that and their game nebe peja. Of course, somebody Argentinian so by Tottenham Hotspur coach, you know. Don't forget Argentina is one of the countries on producing top level coach all over the world. And in recent past, you know, into omni brains way you know, but again, yet they a bigger effect in their game. And nothing as a the English national team, why were the other master? Because they are no moon for a longer period since 1990. They got there, and in the more ball game, even in the European Nations League, you know, they got to the semi-final of it. Into every competition, they are not pushovers. Kings over here or more younger teams now, yeah, the youth teams now. They conquered the world in the 20 and also I think the 21 around the same time. And in our English under 21 team, they're one of the strongest in the world. And they are coming up against any other team. Now they are going as favorite. So that is the plan. That is the more reason I say I heard the English game now can help me about to that level. No? But La Liga the entire so over years no. Now I'm shada for extensive coverage of La Liga. I was Spain. England and the Ireland because no money say yes attention be call La Liga so because La Liga a home of stars who are Cristiano Ronaldo who are Messi who are Griezmann who be body ni sa na name amu nyina e wo ho it is a king who kwaye Sergio Ramos who be body we Luka Modric mu nyina they who say players who are stars in England want to end up in La Liga. It is all my attention it will affect the viewership. It's what they did and say Classico, for instance, on a day there is Classico, don't to me when life in the United Kingdom and Ireland. Baby, I boy, you are bit me when dead, and that's all highlights of it. But since La Liga ain't a breakthrough, only say, or much more secure sponsorship. I see I know the TV rights about England for the first time. La Liga had the major league about England, you better telecasting it live on all the major networks. And case I hope so maybe a UK month, you know. Over £11.
Okay.
That's about, let's say, about 66 Ghana cedis.
After 3 p.m. games in Omunye.
Of course. You understand the point. And no crowd, there is condition because Omon person be na etumi arrival. But for the first time, at least, an outside league, an alien league, and I said league a foreign, no. Etumi about England, ube to me show on major platform before it wasn't like that. And a year and so no, over so hebia, if you know £99. And we be to me. So this is the reason and I'll hear La Liga finally, no. In Americas, no, North, South, and Central, no, only 24 nations and a live. Now over Asia, any Oceania, 23. Now over Europe, 48. But over Africa, Angola, Mozambique, Tanzania, and a kuta or more right on TV stations say. But the rest of Africa, no, what they buy your friend, South Sahara Africa, like West Africa, near they call East Africa now, and also Super Sport and a Kuta right. So this is the little La Liga and the
But
Abba.
that's an education. But also it's £99 for a
Yeah,
year.
of course, £99 a year.
You know £100.
And do hand over to me on Sky.
Come on, dear. I'm over you. £99 no crown. It's a pound here since
Yeah, it's £100. £100 is 6.
Let's say 6
crack. Yeah,
600.
the 6.2.
No idea. For the whole year.
for the whole year.
What subscribers?
One subscriber for.
And then for you recharge the idea. DSTV.
Okay. Stay and if yes. Until we all can't get up on it.
And I said, because I'm more eating come home.
Over here, I don't know where and as a dear bank wine, you bet me I can watch him. Private sector business, and so then you pay money for so.
Okay.
In the Monteso. Monteso.
That's just a Monte DSTV.
I know one.
Son of a
wine. Okay, what's your mark?
I'm rough.
Okay, Mr. Sorry, Andy, there's a little. DSTV, then I also mind the Sikano. Because Okwa Nigeria and a ball from it's a dollar rate near there. So the more we say last now, okay, you.
And I'm making
Angola and Nigeria.
On secondary beyond him.
Yeah,
So what you say.
To
Udu China to be a dollar and yes, yes, the amount. To buy it,
see the name Ghanaian saying,
because I only stadium there no. Who's Cano? Now me de to 2 year ha. We can say for pa.
and for
At 200 million. Oko high stadium ko bo matcha.
but maybe
20%.
20%. After say I do 20,000. Who see come say you get
you
it.
best at it.
Yes, 20%. Eh, which me.
Ah, okay.
Now no the people crew man can.
Now, how does Andy say how much 20%?
Kotokonya 5 point. Kotokonya 5 point something billion. And the Beka Kotoko 3 billion, okay? 2 billion is free to okay.
I don't make us. I don't make us. I don't know your percentage.
Percentage.
It's
It's
a football club. I mean, so much in a buy a chance here. I buy a stadium there. But I think say I'm gonna be because stadium we used to will be our kind.
Matiene calculation.
It's minimum say I'm making a buy a chance say. Yeah, Indian, mama face.
The be almost to me more.
And say because they say government and the
Master making
it's only to make us know, yeah, you're per face. And a face, maybe at 20,000, but you'll get to also about winning. In the Empire in Africa, and it is a Kenya, they are 20,000. And there's a 20,000. Who see you when you're not 20.
Okay, Casarani, the oh, high for international gamer.
Any international.
Some fancy Guma here, Nibia, Ella Libre, Champions League, and that's the way it is. And the max.
It's a government be a bit you see car, you bet me for taxes, maybe a 40,000.
Yes. Can't see care quite bad movies on me.
Let's
get you bet you 40,000.
Okay. And then one second, Marshall, the entire friend. Let's see, I say about 2 about Ghana. Came was some la, yeah, 2 about Kaditi and see movie and now the police in the in our council. Go chini papa
yen do like
what ah
yen do like
oh yeah to abanet ya
yen do like
yen light
and e kwan so be start ya pa
che kwan na atutu no nyina on be yen nyina on be yen nyina
be bia du asisi
so okay me fan say ko nya 6 billion half of o find 50% say 3 billion that's 3 billion on yourself find out 20% out of it so at the end of it all, say, I buy the club with me and snap now the share. Kenya, they are at least about 60,000. Ken, now they compare 2 point something. About 1 match. Near share music at okay. David, with the election year next year. Kotoko Kumase, this is the perfect platform. And one, I'm fast on penny for it here with it. Yeah, okay. You from Harana, the one year. You come on, dear, 1 year.
Market very enjoy.
I can't many and the bay adrenaline say. Sikano Crom would just only maintain this stadium almost sign yet this kind of quick. It's your time, would say a mobile. Now go force your shoe, inspect it. Yeah, but I do it.
So I'm run about what you do generally. I call the Pia Beboma, and you have climbing the Pia Beboma. Who got you be on Traba into it. Perfect plan.
Drivers on me,
who got Chitasi driver pet into Traba. perfect platform to cut off from Faso. Cocky is kind of so 2 billion now by a TF film. Oh, bastard, you will say, and what you can. Now, one with a
Martin is 18.
okay, but in a way.
Okay. But say what 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, that's in there.
Can
Can we
I say they are numbers?
Mammy,
Yeah.
Can I call baby a G2? A hot to Patiki a hot to be a discuss here the quiet pine. The game, we're not there.
Baby, I did to me.
Baby a G2, I mean, oh, Patek, baby,
I'm
a G2,
and finally, a good kick goes to tackle or more so I would do what they
typical example, ya bois. Okay. Master Mamma, the buy and say, Fiorentino Perez to me Zinedine Zidane. So where's Zidane? 2 coaches and I remember the fire on and Sana. Almost in this Zidane ever back after 9 months. Julian Lopetegui and Santiago Solari. Okay, Julian Lopetegui. Just after Barcelona defeated New Camp and Omoja opening the point. Santiago Solari is so here, losing back to back to Barcelona and an emphatic victory for Ajax Amsterdam. It was Santiago Bernabeu and in Guasia to Madrid and being seen that in recent times. And Omoja opening the point say, "Oh, ni akuko do obeti dia coach Madrid team no. In as much as say, we see a kind of more Masaya Jumadia Madre Madrid Castilla." It is Zidane by Naka 11 games. This is in a baby. And can so check 11 games as damn boy. Oh, we need Makuma Quincy. And no lose 9 and no draw back. He started so well. Into no beer when he says anything is done yaba. Into Nima Bessasa, I said the end time now no honor, Nanya Matiano. Consistency and performance no, now who's a Nanya Macoso. But can so check the last 2 games our boy or boy against Osasuna or boy against Real Betis. So 2 games Nimi done in Lusuya. After losing those 2 games and almost spending 303 million euros in the bucket for 5 players or more the barbershop team net him yasan pikia. Because Obionim Fiorentino Perez said at the end in additional review idea your friend defeat. Into your Pompey into the team. Say players in Makuma Akunuma did this Daniel Kofano on 130 million Fanny Bibi. Can so check 3 games as in this Daniel Bar or 5 points in the Spanish La Liga. And we are bought with Valladolid, we are bought with team friend Villarreal, and we are bought with team friend ASL Tavigo. So far in the done. Now they compare Penny and your friend Junior Lopetegui. No, why Pamona. The first 3 games was impressive. Now the performance was so poor because we have 7 points as compared to the Zinedine Zidane. And Ken, also I know say is the Madrid team progressing? Performance in the economy and the DNA Zinedine Zidane to Barbe to pull the team forward. Where is the magic touch? No team they win the Champions League. It was and started the Champions League campaign. But the reality is that so checking out with the team now. Almost like that stability, almost like that motivation. Almost like the ability to win on the field of play. And can be on him Real Madrid be himself. So changing the face of Madrid. Not so changing the main man. Our original team name that is Cristiano Ronaldo. That's it. A new coach about with a new trender. You need to have the ball to drop the big boys. And some what many results. Into social Fabio Capello and the Ramon Calderon. Now the same way a story say, well, one day let them go back say. O ye Luis Nazaro di Lima fi game e mo pani e friend Fiorentino Perez catch and said abi Ronaldo na game ni lose because ya had you need the big boys in free games but Capello buy no obebenchi Ronaldo obebenchi Robinho and he was able to win the championship at that time. Abrana Ronaldo and Barcelona dominated the Spanish La Liga. It is then a top 5 players. You expect him said there are positions in there. Players no more show time and again say Ken Omanya Bibia and the zeal to die for the club in Hobio. It's players not the mobile at least. So all massive players then start they should be rotating somewhere to give opportunity to other players for them to perform. But Zinedine Zidane is not looking up to that. He's still sticking to the template. Or the system now nobody that an own change. But the most unfortunate thing for him is that our 3 games are betting me defined a lifeline in Madrid. Sevilla, PSG and Atletico Madrid. So check out Atletico Madrid. The last time we saw Real Madrid, it was disastrous, and that's anything is done. 7 goals to 3, and this is the Atletico Madrid team in the Spanish La Liga. They are just on form. The coach has found the right balance because near Yemubi, and so Diego Pablo Simeone, or better break a from a defensive-minded coach to changing the face to a typically attacking man that side. But in the 3 games that he has played, he has 9 points. PSG on paper, they have so much quality. So check the last 2 games on my Santiago Bernabeu, on results. But when they are on form and coach find the right balance, it will be very difficult for Zinedine Zidane at the Bernabeu. If Florentino Perez in this year, Zidane should just accept it. Now, can almost change and Yama, almost 12 to Adrian, because 3 games in the it can be a lifeline for Zinedine Zidane. And I feel say Madrid, says games we or lose to Atletico Madrid, no lose to PSG. It will be very difficult for Florentino Perez. A bit me as said, Gina Zidane Chibio, forgetting send on no market and all pay and midfielder. Zidane went in for Pogba, while Florentino Perez went in for Neymar. It can, no, everything has settled matters, no. But in Real Madrid, you only need to win and win for the supporters and for the board. Okay. That's all.
Well, I'm going to say, yeah, but of course, since I went to see, opposition concern as a be one.
Did you see it?
Will
be one, of course, and so a map for me.
I'm more for from about
Daddy.
Bomonti.
Bawo so meti. Gana we adwuma pa. Gana so na minia panika we adwuma pa.
Gana we adwuma pa wan e be fi.
Ba e boni dia. Me ko na nka me ko ye boni bi o hasa me se. Me na me ko ye sa de ni si ye na. Nka mi nduru akra ko na nka de. But we are me ko ye papa ne de asa se me kura bia so bi anti.
Am 40.
But nye ho na me hwe me nya asa se bibia to din. The most important is obia anhwere ne nkwa. That's the most important thing. Nti me rank na danso ba bia me wana e bi me ka ho e bi so ntim free so me hwe ase mre pa mu no e bi be den e bi be ba bibia wona mre sanga fo ne ka na ase
okay but as about Obed Solomons and a wellness omo ba won say a health food so no omo na you know the DM no ye niam
yes me way
obeba
okay
you know the DM no ye niam e
Yeah.
Na Andy, unya dia unya time check and I say we offer baby na wa hwe dia ko.
Me woni ane be me ansa ne na bia no ane.
I just Solomons and wellness for no. Unim say omo helpful so ne bi o ha e prevent say bi we yare ne bi ko.
Eke na esi etime tu omo nka mo.
So omo sa ne ma ne bi o ha odi a de e fe yare ne bi ntime nya den.
Because it be a blood group.
Very good. No. So, and a chroma de back where I had the pan baby in the blood group and baby.
Yeah, and
the Basana. Na a young a quiet pet. Oh, and we also pursue lose weight. We are more to do pursue lose weight. Or more a war in Yanni Bio Hall, Yanni Robert Tosso. Send me within 1 month. Obey lose bibia.
Yes, I was put you on waiting.
You know, be brewer, no more fun as I say, could training. But you know, we know Jaya. And Asiaba. So what you say, or more Sunday money and so on. Ain't he a more rain fee? Sir, I Solomons and Wallace, a mobile, a more chroma. Now I want to attend a junction, and I'll be home. On my next to La Petite Pharmacy. Pharmacy, and so kind of so more than me patro yam free and chill because you hold ya pumped in the idea here. So what you say, you will be the idea ya pumped in, especially the idea or more team your home. Now, side team or so wouldn't be a
cleaning system.
A cleaning system, no, a cleaning system in them. Team party. Or no matter for free heading. 50 toes are now also.
Almost point time.
So what you say. Once what you mean TV and also what you mean no idea be within some 5-10 minutes no one say be because
you may be wo ye o because
enti Mr. Solomons and Solomons and wellness Mr. Mo Mr. Hojo Atenya Junction o mo ben La Petite Pharmacy na o kwan no wa you are the DM ya pump the one sense no Mr. Furniture was here from 024468 40 78 0244 68 40 78 ọmọ line na bi atu jọ no which my friend yes ally we na wa jinchi mu bebre 0244 68 40 78 yam friend ally na ibenya ọmọ na bia so atimi aye kama na yeah but because mama say mama be Dr. Nyota makura kasaba integrity test ne mama nyina no this one mo twen e makotoko ball match ne we ana ene enya no
yes of course
okay
no kotoko mo no ball we ya
say emre we
kunya no time ho
emre we
kunya no time ho why ya say opanyi ba ko bi so be yi ne team from Cape so
obia can qualify nko ade akoko bi na yewie ba hwe bi mbe collapse ho obi nya one vote ko say no more 50,000 cities on 50,000
50,000
50,000 5,000
5,000
million
yeah
5,000 oh when it's collapse me
oh say we name Sikano here is about the obituary
yeah cause ma to look to 50,000 that will be anto abo
500 and the almost can baby onyani we obituary
can you country o my am take 500 million
now we
who could bet the one what we are say the mu die no
abemu die no mu ndwe o mu say oh no ni baby onyani income
politicians there
oh no ni baby onyani
yeah case can say 50,000 na better say 5 million kura no ubi na to bra bebre okrum ha
na me say omo no kwan am fa so mi omo sika nti ande ai
omo na politicians o
kaskasem krama de
500 Ghana 500 Ghana
what is it oh 500
Ghana
obi salary 80 cities o
and there you be
osapo wa ko de
500 million etete aka mienu na 1 billion asem na yes bomienu 1 billion titisika
what's an animal be two just say Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach no say we here video analyst na wetuma aboa ne dwumadi no management and executive board chairman Dr. Kwamichi try to get a video analyst for Zachariah Sen Ken referees are on big D match on Sunday no free Liberia Thursday no be match commissioner no Friday no and a match commissioner no oba krumwa
okay
na
me papa
ono be he Black Meteors ene Ojiria game
na e born he
ono be match commissioner no wie pe ena pin kese bi ka chere nse obe footing hotel bills bibia it me man san ko ni kromon tena kromwa till Sunday it papa no o akra a me ka say penyi bi na taking hotel bills bibia o si bibia opebia no be di ada no be di bibia pen no afa hoka
on a match commission
o match commissioner no match commissioner no kibe kai kotokone kara penalties for na eba on no match commissioner for that game
fact into purchasing
oh me chere match commissioner no
na dey over that what the analysis
kill my chere match kill my for myself me for say me
protocol any etwa game Sunday opanyin no aba be match commissioner on a match commissioner with Kruma Kotoko Kala for penalties on a net change
abanyo no di match no
on a
match
net
commissioner
change
yeah match commissioner
and them just all purchasing
oh me purchase
for my history
and you say be a history bet me repeat ono de owo krom a o hwe ne mamu say be a match no abeko kama
okay
king Kumasi Asante Kotoko operation team no omo yade me bo mabaso
Palusha mo
Perusha
okay
ado operation we dey abro Perusha
ma Perusha fans kakra because Sunday
ni area mo
me can no o tu ko ba isi o tu ko ba te dem fifrem say yes operation isi o ton so fifrem say am yem operation omo ya adwuma pa
operation for no
yeah omo ya adwuma pa Dr. Kwamchi sana baby o bia na awie me salutu o ya adwuma pa okay yeah be fine
worry me that's
after go post me 2 goals in there o my there baba
askwa hona ko be 2 goals
2 there be there
e hona o makoje
no da hoda do
askwa 2 goals
ka fe ne bi de eba na eba
be ball ne de asokwa wo de se ko first half kotoko enya amekom no bobo kwa asokwa first half na second half no amekom ya pe ba ko ana
it is how 2-1
2-1 oh 2-1 bi animo 2-1 ni goal okromu akin
enya mfa
omo se clean goal kra question mark beba
ayo o che wadwe story na o se che wadwe o ko be
2 goals bi enya mfa from yes bi ada di chiri di ken no kwani e ba ko say financially you know it's prudence and match commissioner bet na kuro financially because say wa ba be di match na wa fly akola Liberia no wa san fly na ba what I say and say no as compared to Kruma hotel like here Accra in fact say even if 200 Ghana cedis a night in pa for 1 week it's almost 1,000 for back in KBA ni in and out yen in Africa point to one sense e be a stopovers kakra bebem any break one bread beba na aso e no ni nyina be ha adwen because ken okokoya e be ankoko the game was played on Friday then ko be free Kruma be Saturday ka by be Thursday obesan baba I was like ken ni nyina no say it's not prudent mzena ka afofo edi ken your opinion ni dada who be here say court company for any be kasa na tete because all calculating the ticketing home sense more dey ko na if I say 200 cedis a night and ken Kruma 200 cedis bet me nya rooms bia affordable kakra na bet me amani pa no panyin natena na wet me ababa ye adwuma no na me ado match say Sunday from that particular angle I think say is a good score in the issue of a video analyst see yeah ain't come quick now you come to na a club like Asante Kotoko should have a video analyst say you find say local games they cry sometimes and you may be who are dinner. The last time you are Edwin and my Muntia say the one I know yet Kotoko video analyst I do a champion during the days of Sika Kono. Can also catch say football moving from the level of a video analyst to now crano performance analyst. Like in performance analyst, you know, he reads more than just watch a video, or analyze a video, or more predictions. Or bet me determine the style of play of your opponent. So sure over maybe 5 different occasions, you know. I realize that we say are effective in their first 20 minutes. Or home games or mobile. But I'm quite aware. I have most of the time. I'm try say I'm play first 20 minutes in a defensive mode. Now I'm call all guns blazing, and I said I'm attacking with every energy in them in their last 20 minutes. A performance analyst, the bit I'm coach who win. And again, say po yampo. These things matters most in the game of football. Because Ken sa woni obi kokon. Na woni na ho odin woni ni weakness a. Wa ho bobo no utimi hihye ni ye. Am a ototo ni o ma ye. Because Ken sometimes in the world of football, you free players be impact players and super star. And the style of play of every team no. Your individual players ne okwan amofa so ball. Any areas o mo like it. The performance analyst no and the member individual player of opponent na ne babon ne strength ne weakness na ken o call boardroom o dia ma individual players e be mark ya na say omne sa players ne be battle it say Justice Blair the deep line playmaker and I say the playmaker of your opponent the man say a twag obenya enough details about the player obehu ni ball no kakra we hu na ni so kakra ansa kwa no park ne so nti apona obefa so ni abrante na sife esi aka o park ni so nim dada. So in this particular we also can your players be ha omo your frustration players player be ha o no ba obeye nyoma ma we player ha be pick early card nti your defensive midfielder yin nyina nim say the importance of a defensive midfielder to a team no ehun hia pair ye no obetimi advice player ni ye amansa no be ko park no so no obehu how on that frustration player no be deal with sanya on call su bebre o start say o ye nyoma be se obufu a wonim that as a player we say no ball the ball coach edi can to form and one advice you will not fall into a trap. As a kid sometimes your coach be about book game bia not all of a sudden wa bench player bi na the midfield setup was sesa no e kwa offer so board they roll the tactics was sesa no o tie chi a won tie ase by the end of the game once akoye diama no all these pre-match information they get it from the performance analyst. It is a Tuesday. Na kotko bebo etwa on Sunday. Can me just say nene see a video analyst or a performance analyst for coach Efedi Zakariansen. Now uncle working on the etwa team. Because it's 3 weeks ago and etwa a share 7 against Hafia Club. Everyone show more Tunisia. They are still playing matches. Etwa for the bomb matches. And can also say North Africa phone they are a bit developed than here has to get their footages. Sometimes can be so streamy or more matches scrub it me than here was I say. A performance analyst should be in place in that. And question a Jumana said that. Advice coach in the and coach pray at 2 games friendly matches or bonino or an idea of a 12 one foundation. I'm a fundamental principle and you're default setting. So I'm a boboa. I'm no senior society na ba and your player be na pra and your opponent I'm no common almost the same one. I'm kwa we I'm bo say. It's a coach in the back, my opponent strategy. I very rehearse boys towards that pattern. I'm say can your teams be ha I'm more deadly players I'm take free kick. It is a okobo against such a team. Obe make sure say you rehearse well towards defending of set pieces. Because Keno say we share protocol friendly games are not mobile. And as a Korean sinner, no more utilize set pieces ne pay ye. It in that particular case, the way a team that's what we analyze kotoko year. Your coach will therefore put his players in a regiment on well good and super when it comes to defending of set pieces. Corner kicks, free kicks near Adeno. Sanye Emma kotoko ain't me exploitable. Once I can hear Kotkoti, we all talk about Emmanuel Jemfini the pace. It says I won't share Kotkoda. More analyzing Kotkoda. Only a performance analyst are all more detailed information about how Emmanuel Jemfi born the boy. One share in your first 15 minutes, most when you subri. And that is the importance of modern day performance analyst to the game of football. And the idea you made keke. Etu din keke. Can one over kaya? Kotkoba bebo Kutum Sports. Ebra had remetna. On my structure of how Kutum Sports for number bobo. And I can say they play from their main defender. Goalkeeper nije ball no the main defender. Not defender, the main center back now started the gameplay.
And I said that behind the momo.
Okay, non say you detailed version of
Okay.
because me who and you can performance analysis. Then a scouting report of Kotokone Ebiana Stars and Steve Puller. Scouting report. And the scouting report, it goes to the extent of telling you the behavior of the supporters cry. How our opponent and the supporters make me do a mujanina. Scouting report need to be catched up. Say we are Kotokwa. This is how you are supposed to play. Supporters be a team. And our team were there. And found send your bono 90 minutes. First will players the team say home fans no they will be on their stance on be Jerome and also I didn't. And our team were there. One name koba. So bobo effect kakra bi ade effect kakra bi ho bebo mo nsema. Scouting report team ma oni nyina.
Enti money da form. I'm just waiting the count.
Yes.
Someone mon chacha want to form.
Can they give you everything. Ebia the first 15 minutes almost so jane pay. Enti make sure say the first 15 minutes ubetimi free 15 minutes na your deadly zone. So ultimate survive on first 15 minutes because sometimes the performance analyst and answer the scouting report no it will catch us out of 95% games on mabo almost first goal in the first 15 minutes a bit more catch almost 2 goals at least 2 goals in the first 15 minutes and after 15 minutes the majority of teams are almost hold you to 0-0 after 15 minutes no about 50% because so and they with a point. And so your coach na kasi achrewa. Me just say 15 minutes no kwa. o rehearse ye say o team no o be shape o mo defensive.
Yes, now no omo aye omo scouting report. On bet me deceive coach no.
Can o met me
based on their working.
Okay, no met me deceive. O met me deceive coach, but most of the time these are professionals.
Coach ni be na videos and the players ni.
No, Ken. What should coach be say Ebenezer Sefa? Coach Eben. On say friend coach, but I don't say them so coach team that. On the field on also specialize on
Scouting.
Ken what you make
scouting.
Yes. At the only team we be boy. Obetimi a chiro players especially locally. Play obetimi about 1 week. Maybe or two training grounds. Or move formation that about or come training grounds. No akwa during that particular week the coach then crowd or say training ho. Cause on see your past matches awashe any style coach na bo. Any send your coach in planning for this particular match. Obetimi am on nyina. And I've seen some of his scouting reports so many occasions. So many occasions me coach e friend Ebenezer Sefa scouting report. And they're superb. Ebia say no crown this week and the last 2 weeks me monitor team no me who say Ebia Emmanuel Jemfi most of girls am from co training grounds. Come out because we has now you kotokwa. Bisa say edua na brekum Chelsea nipa no say no come training grounds. Enti coach obetimi akotete on no show ma be catch say Ebia almost star man
Obetini when you to scouting report as a coach.
you it's an additional information.
Say me Ghana at the time you call AFCON na me games na your boy na. And also catch him say scouting report by you know. A boy coach na menje.
Can not say coach go on interpretation so ya something.
Say coach.
Ye dia ba wie no.
Ye dia very good. Enti ya say o dia no kwa 200% here. But eno ya dia weapon and so betimi aka ho am wa hyehyɛ onyoma yi. So in the absence of that no coach a fed wa coach na park na ho na oba be read the game na sesa nyoma in the course of the game. Nti say ham bi o ha na ham na si dada. Nti I think say enye 4 days or 5 days to the game no. And you ever be video analyst na performance analyst chirapa. Abana ba be hye na dwuma say. Essential the moment akotkoti so obo eto ana. Na nka san hye na koso. Tinkwedi kan eto a past matches. Any current matches eto asobo. No ayaba be shim. Cause Ken sometimes we go scout and that's how the report of team be last season. Rekotko last season. Now the come eto ana we need this season kotko be mistake. Cause last season na kotko be Abdugani you be of echiro. Na kotko Richardson and wo kwame continue echiro. It's all the last season kwa na kotko bo under sika kono. E koma kotko opponent a. Why oba we do park no so no. Na a different story altogether. Into when your former report and current report.
Mama Swembra.
Yeah. King, the Eddie kind of personal appeal. The idea my observing. Mesre could accompany for any day, my only coaching in Kasaka Kraman. Because against Hearts of Folk, King, I was not me actually. I was not happy with the kind of dressing or the core partners. Men can't end like ends here and get fan, but the attorney say Kotoko, big club, big brand. I'm representing Ghana or Africa. It is a uli dia, we a real model. Until I was a coach now, whole family be piano. It to me, I get it to that level. Because Ken say, "Oh, share Europe, or if your coaches no, or Morino no." Because Scar would be $1 be to me. Until the question is that what the day. In your marketing, Kitty Wa, essay and a fata. Fanny said players, make what JC White and the MFA pie, and be na market or make brandy. I like Uncle Lani says I did in Ayana Mill. It's when players have dressed nicely, stadium near colorful. The DI is nice. Yeah.
Maso.
Ade.
Me pa is wako toko
white
do die gu achi.
Me brandy. Okay. Ken, into the supporters here colorful. Na your friend is saying, Metal has with the anything. Say anything. Say,
And to be
so baby, na be been to our baby into the ambush. It came clearly. Messer say or morning in Casama, and you say wait there because also CK Wahon not leading a dressing there. Near appearance, who now to Mr. Coach me. And also dress like Kim Grant at the buyer, can me who be Ghana. The whole Africa cries who to be a
this is yeah pay innovations what you say but the mama de me jitum say o say coach we wan say that more ball bia kese but already see Kenny came mona they really played Germany in a top place so they learned that semester say omonye see benya kra nka kotoko a jacket they afraid the coat nice one na kotoko dia nanka we ba he nanka or the abana bibia air cause on the king and the first thing. Okay, this is the 6th time at Tour du Sahel I visited Ghana. In say omonim terrain very well. Now 6th no omone hat about 4 and omone kotoko about 1. Now the last time omone hat a boy na 1-0 hat show mo ha. King ena omo call Tunisia no. Almost share hearts. I have 1-0. Almost share hearts 1-0. And I have the penalties a yom. Into what I'm trying to say is a toa a beatable. Again, the last time I toa Nico ball wahano. Nay in same P. Coach Amodius on Bekaya. It was in the same group stage. And cry nay group stage waha. King. Kotoko mpeni 4 year bibia. That time say your friend say Bafon and net a woho. There was a called big man be a non-come management no affair today so only referees back as to say ya. King. Obeka say referee na dey friend Kofi Kojana. Osno be omo. No say 12 for na ko wewe. It didn't make extra say me to be confirmed but 12 gave $150,000. Yeah, $150,000. That's at then. Even at then, nanka nipo no super so boa kotoko no nanka no super percent ko ye way so means ring na yes a bribe like 100,000. It's ball those time that there was money in football coach referee decline here. And he could have called Lusu 1-0 or I think. It's no money so I had your demand ye we. Kid almost started your referee there so I penalty. Hey, I said we. And on boss could have take can. Nanko for na could have take a real 2-2. It's what I'm trying to say is that say when a 12 be back in kasa. Oh, mesha no. It goes beyond that because about financial power almost we are very strong. About ways and means we are very strong. Again, young far from we are strong. Can I deba kwa my Arabian teams no? We are one. They say about sacrifice or they are stronger than us. Maybe I can say they are all sacrificing in 3-5. No, be sacrificing in 3-15 now. They are here the So it's an area Koroko need to be very bad. Koroko, you also take a clue from this. The last time our Arabian team be back Ghana, Nekotokobe boy was Al Elman from Algeria. And they scored 2 goals here and they won. It's a winning incident a baby only to put in a lot of work. I hope you understand. Because at 2 visits on back Ghana with Heart and Koroko man winning. It's the possibility said they will not win a higher. But Koroko need to get a maximum results. But see, being results now is not about you better or more, you better or no. This is Koroko doing a different which I'm happy. Only says this is a ticket sale, no. Ken Omodi back in advance. And I've heard said by Wednesday we'll call Unity Oil branches now, Ubenye Biato. Because at 2 when you pay back park now, Ken Ebehu. I was said 2 when you chat matches ya bunina. But who says 9 minutes near there, for advance tickets in the back, it's going to work very well. Eddie Koroko, AJ up for because Osha as gold almost on the Bekani. These are all cracker of matches. And again, I did advise by Kwam Dewa say, Kim, maybe young match we be young shot, young quantum. Kim can be Yankee a boy to a match in the Yankee and court near Quacklamata because Ghanaian teams are Diana Kojibi. Mediama Kojibi. Your friend is saying under 24, 23 or more questions, Musumomo. Because Amuko drew and ra. No, why you training then now bomb match. In fact, and almost saw Baha first now will call her obey your baby out to frustrate into a bondomos. We call me Kaise. A rap or quintimo time. Ye call on terminal. Could be bear 5 days under Duncano. They had a draw. So in as much as more 10K about Wino, we should also think about the away game very far. Or young quantum. Ye quantema or moon you. You bet to me or my booking.
Mas Andy Brian
now came back to my main foul in Chato. A year OT. Toronto, Canada also better 25 tickets.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Well, baby, football ne call me the Macan. Ya try and call your drone. Obia will believe there. But I feel say a person go to the standard of teams. Maybe a Kotokopesa or winning the Africa within the shortest possible time. The team needs a psychologist. For the video analyst, yes, I'll come there. But I prefer a match analyst than a video analyst for now. difference in the say cast will be a video analysis or you'll be he had the video of the opposition team on him system or but on the field of play he analyzed the dimensions, the movement, and as to how the key players in the team they said you almost see ball. That is said they know Tabahan or Chelsea team 9 and a quackobono or possessing more of their defensive zone, or possessing more of their central zone, or possessing more in the attacking zone. You think working almost a bonus or but only crab ball or fanateda. That is why I'm crab ball no man who's a ball no money ball ni cry. They possess it so well. And there are teams that almost started the board up from the full back, the left or the right. And your teams that almost started almost passing from the goalkeeper. And your team almost started almost passing from their center back. Video analysis, be more saying now with the video. Now we're using actually coaching, but the match analyst. Okay, in the course of the game, now you're born. On almost to me, coach, game now you're born. At how obey improve the technical genuity of the coach. I feel say baby to coordinate see and ken and only adi omo here a match analyst because games no ken say person obomodi in the Africa campaign there you need those people on the bench, you need a psychologist on the bench who here be obema the mental toughness of the players. May have always called for a scout and ken now we say what the blaster the scout report on the coach the one way coach Kosi Apia the Giovanni Trapattoni kura amana ken enkusi hwe enti you don't just talk about just anyhow but there are coaches ken so what they
scouts not man good information
what's me say opa Fabio Capello ni are go chat ni Giovanni Trapattoni
Abisa Kenza who selected the scout in your no
me say opa Fari
only more say one gata ken
so nya additional technical team
you know and select you
me say Fari go Saki Giovanni Trapattoni and Fabio Capello boom ma coach Kosi Apia enkusi hwe enti ken in as much as I've always been for a scout, my reason is say only how to folk who be here video analyst can here no because the training sessions will probably mine video analyst nya you need scouting report so only career baba here video analyst you need a scouting report it is say teams in can a hold the chance here free bringing the basics players out can me na no say me ga jo say pen mu bi so on tia say ma koka say ya free player bi camp me busa an sa dentin ya free Roberto o so obotim be a management member of a club onim ni pakro nti e was say me twa so ha because me san come me expose no so I needed to end it nti you need scout our body sign information in our bema una carriera video baby unya no baby akiji say bi omni teams akese ebo enu akonya na on YouTube ana say place bi omhwehwe videos e dey akoto YouTube na abehu nti you need scouting report from the basics, you need scouting report outside but ken areho say me woman say kotokoko match no omo the lawyers ne omo any class omo koya hwe ko no omo those people who are vital to the course of the game no ha make I say Edwin na obede kana say games ni na wanko bi ada ke wan ko match bia bi da na ye de omo nkoya hwe policy analysis mo ne ko what are they going to do over there? We will see making good use of the importance of these people at the bench, scouts, match analysts omo hu nya pa again because things are there are things omo about 30 backroom staff all the big Guardiola mo cry nya sa anya mani bi and omo making provision for that psychologists, match analysts, video analysts. We are human say psychologists so be making sure say obetimi psychic players because okay oboy twa obi ai machine because in terms of Africa for there ye cry national team no say microphone ni bi so mo de omo to omo level and you can cite a lot of examples until you need obetimi psychic players no e dia mom omadwen aba so say there be ye kwa mi konte wa ha ofia no okoni anis badre ne you see Belali Mobo. Those players are not magicians. Those players in the Omonia line Messi, Omonia Neymar, Omonia Cristiano Ronaldo. It is a contest free ha. Aqua chess for our team no I started both games in and out there. So you play around so back to Konasa or you don't want. Also betting me make a case against the Toas for the Sahel. So you're Kotoko player. Not so about the local blast out for Ghana. King psychology betting me a cycle say no. Also about national team. So when you are meeting a team that play for the national team, you can also perform so well. And no the typical fear factor no every I'm a player so in the right frame of mind I'm promoting on the field of play. That is the work of the psychologist. That is the work of the psychologist. And again, I feel say the year can getting to know the dimensions, getting to know team now on the ball, baby our strength, baby our weakness, baby and who are doing, baby our betting they are making good use at the actual again. It is the best option for your clubs and some person who compete with Ali, Sundowns and all those clubs out there. But can you now be real dear Bako? Kotoko coach he on for scouting or he doesn't believe in that, which is so wrong.
Obi wa on person, your coach is be on person.
Ken, your coach be on scouting be aro osuruntia.
Enye so, obi also won say scouts no. We emphasize more on the scouting report na. Later we say we get them wrong. It's okay. Maybe Zacharias, man we say yeah scouting asem. Club like Etoile, easy to assess.
Of course.
Many players. Many details. Said now we see it. We see church every day. But my family players in here. At least me call you many matches better 3-4. Woman here share some music any current matches. Any can. We bet me show matches in the I just say players and a call more ball na nkasa. It me sua na be so my ready so be sua na. O mo it me sua na be hearing. If him. It must player o be won the 3 matches. So what I say? It is a player and winning try and quality obey or baby. It's me only say Obu or only say no. Area Hano and a part of Africa Hano. Would this and your money be breached? I like no, I won't send our cabacroon staff of I got only 18. The pie 18. And so maybe I saw on quantity dinner.
Yeah, boy.
A barb until we are Makumaku 18.
Yeah,
and they are trained. So once a coach Yana Mokana say fencing. There be a coach Yana Bonidin, so one of the best scouts. Ebenezer. Because always such a once we had a typer of a boy.
I can't scout.
The oh maybe I was set your scouts say anyway move by the boy.
Sure.
No ya friend no call. But once said this a coach and cry and father said Division 1 game. Or Division 1 game no heading. No baby. A general sort is a be a for a player, we will make us position your more paper, they are crack it to be all. So what I say. Also, why so almost a ball. But if you are why the year quiet now, yes, Uncle Hembra. It is always a Ghana problem at Yaya. Or more Casapia Salaton, yet your more consummate quiet teams, no, almost 4 games of ball. Ahead of Africa now, for Nations Cup. And some preparation games, you know, players and don't want some kind of heading. Almost that is 20 minutes. Why you make it wrong? Into me, many coach by against a fine. Only players and international show. Omunya time. Somebody say go for they say you married. Jam feed they say the hands on the day. Or more planning a pa. Say ya kakwa first ever plan it to almost all planning.
Oh yeah, sure.
Almost all planning say Yakuba bebo, one a bebo, almost all planning.
Yeah.
Sanity.
Fauzi Benzati mu hiya scouting and Zacharias.
Can't say.
Me say Fauzi Benzati any piece of Mosimani mo. Omu kura hiya scouting and yokotukuku.
And I make us a scouting. Omo maybe omo access of and you may be look at it. And to idea no more pay we as your money. Even Moroccan
oh you know
Morocco cra F you know.
Yeah.
The F in Ankasa. So say Moroccan F no see your money.
Yeah.
Omo clubs no omo bo say are you for a Tunisia say sir Esperance ne. A transfer count. The time I am on military air force. I buy now play no way you did. No way you did.
Oh, you know, come call for
Ken Okonedin tinam dodo bia no obesem kwan. Ken Okonedin tinam dodo ensem kwan no. Nti se scout gidi nyina na fa ye adwuma.
Me say. E dia na sa clubs na wo kan nya kotoko ntiminya. Kotoko uska. Omuniska. They have money to pay players who have not played football for 7 months. It is Kabe and Omunya. I'm not saying say Sally money, but the point I'm making is that Ken may say, oh, Kotona TV, who are Nakoto coach, and there are players still in the Kotoko team, doesn't know them. They be an Da Costa said. In the king, you need those things. Will be here the people working on. If the Guardiola, the Jose Mourinho's are making it, if they are receiving those things, the only problem is your interpretation. And can scouting be and come a wrong report to that because a Kotoko scout is tried and tested. Like Coach Ebenezer, he is tried and tested. Unless he say, obey to management for now, you know, microphone players. Apart from that, report to be or the be a con because I can't. So, person you see Kevin Andra. Zacharias no name Kevin Andra on chair Ebenezer Sifa. He has been with the boy wow stars. It almost as a time but obiting a boy said no. Can scout and now waiting one scout. Even in your team, the scout can suggest something to you. Yeah. Oh, it be a match with you.
You should play and he say.
Ha Kotokone has Nekobo. They are playing Robertado and then Mohamed Alassa. A big is static, he doesn't move, he doesn't run, only pace. And Tisoko you soon on Obama 4 and 5 now you free. King. And I'm say has here training. Na coach in nowhere. And I'm say Zacharias and what has good. All Bobo on has Amono. He may not know all these things. It will be the scouting report that will give those information to the coach. In the case, there may be something and say, my am to him. So resource on media. Everything within scouting, video analyst, match analyst. May scouting and match analyst in here game in the cost because so why Manchester United for coach no. Emuya dia o head assistant in any assistant in any man or so they are trained by no matter what one can. For all we know, let's be honest to ourselves. In terms of tactics, Kotoko problem from the bench, especially from the assistant coach. And clap na can several times to your tibia. Until you may need all these hands in there. And now work the amount. This is a Tuadi Sahel. This is an Africa campaign. And not just an ordinary game. Games are Kotoko person in the Champions League. Okay? And your games are tougher. At 12 after 2007 Omoji and on performance. In this roster. But if you want to perform in the Champions League, you are going ahead to meet better and better opposition. How more all these apparatus are able to enhance their performance.
First of all, but my immerses here because the training culture. Coach Abokodia, the training culture.
You may add Daruma, the Chechen Asana.
There's no Baba Waka.
I am Yadum and off Kakra. After a nay, as good, sorry, a nay has a folk money Sunday, no McCoy. The Befe, Namisan Coy, Namisan Bandra. McCoy na Adumamu, Yana off from a net for Pen Friday.
Oh, okay.
I must a lawyers and a more and rap conference into a Mocoin Basana.
It's a lawyers and a quanoy free.
Very good. And with my family and one day cacas. Into my back. Operation full squad near Balandi because of that one. Yeah, by the boy. I will be at one. Network, but all cramming years, I come in revenge. After and that's the one whom you have been one. At one, maybe never be a coffee could have been. I think I'm much revenge. Yeah, after and that's the one whom you have been one. Maybe I must have maybe a Saturday and answer Friday. Ah, never fear. But in Nicola, I trust more. Hey, Martin, dear, Massa. Now, who are doing that? Oh, yeah, but I almost bad now. Probably assassin no more ban. Who will be out to find trap when Fama? A backup on hey, Omuda, your balance or Musumunedi. Yes, yeah, Bawa, when you're on 1 year man or more. You do quite me, Kubali. Because of Kobabi and so Kojan me quite 3 places. March and I pay 4 goals. Hey, as a honey, I'm Monsieur 4 or 3. See, I never goes we are, except for 3. None more than I maybe Vima Medica Sand and Minimin near Menansis. I don't okay, but send me watching the crowd is said where you chose. Aha, Miss Wa. Oh, sure. Aha, I'm name for sure. Namiadom is to us. Yeah, baby, you were team new. Me team in any part 4. You will be a team Yadom. More we had you more. 3 now 4. Yes. We can't have 4. Maybe may count about goals. Yeah, goals ready from 3 up to 4. Yes. Because Osafwa the can the say 4 goals to be or 2 goals to be or Asquaho. thank you you see do ba be ka ho na nya fo na ina no ano no kadua
ana ka kroma be de
oh e be de into what supporters ade ehia ne say o mo support ne mpaebo na ne e pese ye no emrem o mo fa mpaebo ntai na emrem na sports stadium onso o mo mra Sunday o mo mra advance ticket no enche Wednesday be ba boncho o mo do mo meto place o mo hu say supporters na ye stadium ho ma goals no e be ba sa me eto a muso o mu twi o mu
all African games on my body ma come and join your start
yes
almost first 15 minutes in the day I know
eja de begu o mo so wa ha eja de begu o mo sa ken eja de begu o mo so wa ha no muso mu hu bi da sa sa bi no mo share half year for na enya half year o enya half year ye show mo 4 or 3 wa na ye ko ho a ya kwa ko draw na dia yo mo afrum money zone Champions League me ka se nyambo ni nyan say ya besna bo Champions League go money zone this year I'm telling you Ken I'm asampa ni ka me tell no me see enimi ni
ya dia mu ye nyina no be makuma se ne Ghana ye de
say na say ye na say
ball kuma se na be de nya
Ghana ina be de
David mimi krom go yanga ho fa mo ninje akra mo mo ta akra mo ninje kuma se na be de
di ndra
se kotoko kuma se
mo aye mo mpa ma na nya force what na munya bi mo
David
na se da bia ye kwa munya bi mo
me ka bia se ye se kwa ya je
me see some ama ya qualify ama force na ma munya bi mo da for munya bi mo
Dabi enya for ya ko ba
dabi e shema me
you for answer mo ko
dabi e shema me nyuma sama mo mpa ama ni as gold agbo fa force lot na ma ama mo disaka na ta
mo ko fa mbra abra kra ye na ko ye di for ba ye
ken
ye jam sam fa fa
ba na ye ni as gold fa
ye jam da na 10 years ya for mo fa for ba
ye show dabi this anyom na show mo
ana mo si ya jam 10 years mo ko fa mbra mo ntima fa ba ba ye for bi ba first one ye na di kan ba ye jam 10 years ye tu fi mo fa mbra ba fa ba sato na ya ko fa na
na phone nyama na wo ba
enyamo ye ne ko 99 mo nizo 98 mo nizo 2000 mo nizo ana mo ko wa ana ye nya ma fo ana se ya ma ana ma mo 10 years mo ko fa mbra mo ko ana
me se mo dia ye na mo
mo di fo
me se mo dia ye na mo se ma mo
10 years mo
fa fo na ma mo ko bi se da
ana me se ye ma mo ya mo pa ndem bomba
ana mo ko bi da
ya ko ya ko jaba ye wo bi
wa no da sa kwa
wo da wunya
ka je mo
wo da la sa wo de ye
wa no da sa kwa
2000
ya se mo
2015 wo da la sa wo de ye
e wo tamale e da kwa Africa twice
wa ma ka was ma
ya se mo tamale once e da kwa Africa twice
this year
let's try
for na se ya kwa Africa
and as na you
wa so ma kwa Africa ba sa wa de
we do just someone you
wo se mo kwa ba sa wa de wo se mo kwa ana se wo de
ama ya je force lot na mun na bi mo bi mo
ya mo pa ma
da di se mo
se mistake awe ne se
oni ya mistake o
be ba oni e to ana wo match se ka o fe to ani bi na oni e to ani bi
na nyame ka wo be je o ya se mo to fi ya bia se fa tire wa ba
wo sa wa de wo sa ma ko
oni e to ana wo match pe to ani bi na woni no
eto afo ni
omani
eto afo na ni omani to na ya shi omani afo na omani eto afo ni me se enu ni we bi ni bre ni omani to na ya to afo na omani so wo ko sia ayi ukọ na esuma se ko sia abonsom na onya sia to afo ya eno ara na wasai omani no omani eto afo
na sam ya to na o sa so go pe mo
omuni
wuni se mi o twa o sa mo pe mo
o se omo sa
wuni se mi o twa o se sa mo pa ma na mo kwa fa
o no so mo pe yi me se Africa na se ma
abi bi na ya mo kwa ka mbo
jan kwa je force lot na ma sa mo be ko bi pa la lai mo ko bi ta je se mo bi e se
no credit so mo we ne dia Ghana ye de
me se kuma se na ye de ba
wa
Ghana ye de kotoko we ne dia Ghana ye de obi ana o mpede na demo dia ye de ana mbo
mi na ya na nkofo bi na ya mo de but me nyini se Ghana ye de
wa
nkofo bi na we ye yi from Brian Lincoln si
me wie yo
o si boys bi omo entonso omo tie pa Brian Lincoln si ye ntia mo House of Folk
sama tia maso
oh match mun se omo dwane ye mun se omo se ye pepo ma na nye mun se house na etimi twe obi nsuo tapak so na ye twe obi nsi da ye se opoma kra ye baja ye be twa opo no kra si wona ye tenu wo ye si obi obobo nsuo na ya fire into no House of Folk nyame adma Saturday we go two friendly matches
When I'm
mobile Star Academy.
Mobile phone people.
And
That's my 11.
Future Stars. So, and
yeah, what's Champions League, Papa? And I want to dance my 11. And
sometimes like the Argentinian. And
Friday games there.
I bought Unistar Academy. Yes, I have Future Stars.
Saturday.
Okay, you said no.
And Sunday Kotoko match.
And Sunday Kotoko match. Young so can you Olympics never Sunday, but I don't know. I can't say Karamun when you want to somebody
because of Kotoko.
David, a homo company because of Kotoko. Said because of Haas and Tinasoni Yakuba. I'm winning Yakamubomu. Until because of Kotoko match and cafe. So, Intino, Fred Moss, and that place, that's one only place in this way. I renew the contract, or more contract. Come on, more, maybe out to you. And a house of NCC chairman, so the supporters, at the other year in Crabby, and I'm marching no crown, you didn't assume, we just 2 new sa. I'm not going to phone, I'm going to say, Debbie.